Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we're here with the Nadine West style bag. This is my February package. I really feel like these come way quicker than I expect. That scares me. Existential dread sets in when these come. I'm like, wow, it's been a month already? A month feels like 2 days. Anyway, Nadine West is a monthly styling service. It is free. They do charge you shipping, which I believe is $9.95. And then you can, basically with that money, you can apply it to anything you decide to keep. You do fill out a style survey, and so the items are specified for you. You cannot choose not to have jewelry. That's the only negative in my opinion. My last shipment was not cool. I didn't really like it. I'm hoping this one's a little better. What I've been doing is at the end of the video, I'll just insert some clips of me trying everything on, and then you can kind of see it. Everything is, the return shipping is all the labels in here. You put it on here, you just take it to the post office and drop it in the thing. You could probably even give it to your mailman, but I like to give my mailman a break because there's so much crap coming to my house all the time. I think it's like 4 to 6 pieces in every package. And then we will go over, there's a little insert, kind of tells you the value of each item and what you pay for it. So we'll look at that. You do get a discount if you keep all the items. And yeah, I'll link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Nadine West with my referral. I get a coupon. I get like a percentage off or something. And yeah, so do that if you want to subscribe. All right, let's get in here. Everything comes, oh, I swerved it, wrapped, like packaged. So there's that. I actually just went shopping yesterday with my girlfriend, so I bought a bunch of crap. Do you guys have a Gabe's? I'm like obsessed with that place. I just go and I spend like $3 on a dress and I'm like, yes, I love dresses. I'm like obsessed. All right, so first off are these, not feeling these at all. These black pants. They look like my nanny had pants like this. Not into it at all. This is from Popular 21. I don't like those. And they have kind of like a cuff at the bottom and they're pleated. When I signed up, I said that I wanted things for church and for like school board meetings because I'm on the school board. So they're sending things like that, but I don't like those pants. Those are not cool. All right, then there's this top, which is kind of cute. I like it's like really kind of just relaxed, casual. This is from Ginger G, made in Mexico. And then it does have a Nadine West tag on it. Usually boutique brands do. So it has a cool color combo. It looks almost like it's inside out, but it's not. I think that the colors remind me of like the beach and sunset. Doesn't it kind of have that kind of cool feeling to it? And I like that. So I don't know. We'll see how much that costs. And I'll see also. Sometimes I'm really bad at this. I can't see what they're going to look like on me. And I'm like, ooh, I don't like that. And then I put it on. I'm like, ooh, those look really good. And then other things, I'm like, ooh, I really love that. And then I see it on and I'm like, oh, no, that's not for me. That's not for my body. Maybe when I was like 20, but not these days. All right. There's a whole bunch of stuff. All right. Ah! Oh, it's a scarf. That's pretty. I like the color, but honestly, I don't need scarves. I have like 400 and I never ever wear them. The interesting thing about this scarf is that it has like texture here. See the difference? Oh, I love that color though. It's very pretty. All right. All right, you can just go on the floor if you're going to act like that. Okay, now. Life is rough, you know? What can I say? All right, next. Oh, these are cute. They're like blue leggings. Oh, I love these. I love the color and I love that they look like jeans, but they're not. That means they're comfortable. And the pockets aren't fake. They're real, dudes. Even the front one. Yeah, even the front ones. All right, so who's this from? Some brand. Oh, yep, some brand. All right, so there's that. I think those are cool. I really like those. Hopefully they're inexpensive. All right, because I'm super frugal, FYI. This poor kid, growing up, I was really poor, like super poor. And I just can't see you spending a lot of money on clothes. Like a lot. Like, you know, like some people, maybe if I got like filthy rich, but I'm not filthy rich. I have 4 kids and they all require things. So anyway, all right, this is from Hippie Chic, USA. This is really pretty. I have this thing where if I see something and it looks really big, I'm like, it's going to make me look fat. I can't wear it. And then I see it on me and I'm like, that's really pretty and I love it. So I think this looks too big, but it's really soft and I like the print. So we're going to see. And I bet it might be nice. So we'll find out. And the front is longer than the back, which I find interesting. It's kind of got that like bohemian vibe to it, you know? And it would look cute with those pants, I think, even though they don't match. All right, next up is, what the heck is this item? No, this is a no from me, dog. This is from Zenana Premium. All right, I don't like this stuff. Like when I see it, I'm like, nope, that's something that like, it's just, it feels tacky. It does have this seam in the back. I don't know why, but for some reason I always like those. It makes it feel more like formal. And the color's okay, but it's not my color. I don't feel very connected to that color. But I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. I will try it on, but we'll see, you know? We'll see. And then there's so more. There's so much in these. All right, I don't see any jewelry, which is great. I don't need any jewelry, you know? I've been doing this reviewing thing for so long that I just have butt tons of jewelry. All right, that is a real Webster's word there, butt tons. All right, this is from MTS. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't hate this. I want to say it's like ugly fun, like grandma chic, which is something I used to rock a lot when I was a lot younger. I still have this weird, like I would call it a jumper. It was like a corduroy overalls, and it was really ugly. And I would always wear it with like a cool t-shirt and a pair of really cool sneakers. And now I feel like I need to get that out. I hope I didn't get rid of it. But this is like something that fits into that like granny chic, like. You could wear this, it's pretty long, like so it goes down to mid-calf, I'm guessing. And you wear it with like a cool hat and a cool pair of like boots, or I would wear it with sneakers because I think dresses with sneakers are really cool. But you know, you can do what you want, and it's kind of a free, it's like soft, it's like floaty, it's fun. I like it. I like it a lot. All right. Oh, there is jewelry. They snuck it in. They always shove it in somewhere. That's what she said. All right. All right, these are from Javini. These are the dark blue leggings, jeggings, and they are distressed. Oh boy, I don't like these. I'm just gonna be right honest right now that this fake distress, the same thing, it looks like a raccoon clawed at your pants. I'm not into that. I'm just gonna be honest right now. Not my style. I don't know. I mean, they look comfortable, which is like what I want in jeans. Now that I've had like kids, my hips are like, yeah, bitch, we ain't fitting in those pants. But anyway, we'll look at the jewelry. I don't usually take it out because I know I'm not going to keep it. This is like a crossover bracelet, so it's like two sides. Oh, look at it, like very like flimsy feeling. It has like pave diamonds. Diamonds, you know what I mean. They're not real, obviously. We all know that. And then this is a necklace, and it has a, like a leaf. That's actually really pretty. I think that's really pretty. I like it, but I'm not going to keep it. All right, so let's look at, why? So here you have your like return shipping label over here. I'm not going to show y'all because that's got my address on it. My bra's not cooperating. All right, so the top, Jamie Pink Floral, is $25.99. That's a lot for that top. No thanks. Then the other one, the burgundy stripe, I'm guessing that's that first top that really like kind of looked like it was inside out. That is 29 something. Yeah, no, dog. That's a no for me, dog. Jerissa Sapphire top. That's that blue one with the ugly detail on it. That's $24.49. Yeah, no, I'm going to pass on that. The bottom, the Jalua black. I'm guessing that's that first pair of pants that like had the weird bottom. I don't like those. Those are $31.49. The Carly dark blue pants are $18.99. But which I might think if they look cute on, I don't know. I don't really need any more jeans. I've got plenty of those. But the Helia, the light blue, those little leggings are only $12.99, which moves my soul right there with that price. The dress that is blue. Oh, this guy here. That's $29.99. The necklace is $24.99. The bracelet is $20.19, and then the scarf is $19.99, which I won't be keeping any of those items. But I will think about those. I'll think about everything because if it looks nice enough on, like, you know, you fall in love with something, I'll keep it. But look, I take a weight. It's like, how good does it look? How much does it cost? And there has to be like a good for both. So anyway, I'm going to put the pictures in right here.